guys, in today's video I will tell you the history of British Royal Navy. So how it started, how it began, and how it started all over, that I will tell you. So let's begin. The British Royal Navy means RN is Naval Warfare Force of United Kingdom, means it is a naval navy warfare force, means it is a force of warfare of United Kingdom Royal Navy. It is a component of His Majesty's Naval Service, means the King's Naval British King's Naval Service it is, and it is officers hold their commission from the King. The Navy is the Royal Navy is holded by the officer after the commission, after telling by the King of England. Through warship were used by English and Scottish kings. The warship during the war battle time, the warships were used by the British and Scottish kings from the early medieval period. In the early medieval period, the first major maritime engagements were fought in the 100 Years' War against France. In the 100 Years' War against France, it was used that ships. The modern Royal Navy traced its origin to the English Navy. The modern Royal Navy is traced in the English Navy of the early century, early 16th century it is told, and the oldest of the UK's armed service, and it is the oldest UK's armed service. It is constantly known as the senior service, is the senior service it is called. From the early 18th century until the Second World War II, in 18th century, it was the world's most powerful navy, it was called the world's most powerful navy. Early 18th century till. The Royal Navy, a key part is establishing and defending the British Empire. For establishing and defending the British Empire, that's why it was majorly made. So if you like the video, like, share, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye, and I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.